In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the best budgeting method called 50-30-20ths budgeting rule. Whether you're a beginner to budgeting or looking for a fresh approach to managing your money, the 50-30-20ths rule is a game changer. It provides a simple and effective framework to allocate your income and achieve financial success. First, let's understand the rule. What is the 50-30-20ths rule? The 50-30-20ths rule is a simple and sustainable budgeting method that can help you manage your money effectively. It involves dividing your monthly after-tax income into 3 spending categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or paying off debt. By allocating your income in this way, you can put your money to work more efficiently without getting overwhelmed by the details. One common question when it comes to budgeting is, why can I save more? The 50-30-20ths rule provides a solution to this age-old riddle by bringing structure to your spending habits. It allows you to be more intentional with your money, whether you're saving for a rainy day or working towards paying off debt. How to budget your money with the 50-30-20ths rule. Implementing this budgeting rule is easy. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. Step 1. Spend 50% of your money on needs. The first step is to allocate 50% of your after-tax income towards your needs. Needs are expenses that you can't avoid, essential payments required for daily living. These may include rent, utilities, transportation, insurance, and basic groceries. For example, if your monthly after-tax income is $2,000, allocate $1,000 to cover your needs. If your needs add up to more than 50% of your income, consider making changes to bring those expenses down. Simple adjustments like switching to a public transportation or finding ways to save on groceries can make a big difference. It may also involve more significant changes, such as finding a more affordable living situation. Step 2. Spend 30% of your money on wants. With your needs covered, you can now allocate 30% of your after-tax income towards your wants. Wants are non-essential expenses, things you choose to spend money on but could live without if necessary. Examples include dining out, shopping for clothes, going on holidays, and entertainment subscriptions. Using the same example as before, with $2,000 of monthly after-tax income, you can allocate $600 for your wants. Remember, following the 50-30-20ths rule doesn't mean giving up on enjoying life. It means being mindful of your spending and identifying areas where you may be overspending. If you're unsure whether something is a need or a want, ask yourself, could I live without this? If the answer is yes, it's likely a want. Step 3. Stash 20% of your money for savings. The remaining 20% of your income should be dedicated to savings or paying off debt. This category allows you to build a better and more durable financial plan. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, long-term goals, or paying down debt, consistently setting aside 20% of your pay each month can make a significant difference. For instance, with $2,000 of after-tax income, you can put $400 towards your savings goals. Over the course of a year, that adds up to close to $5,000. How to apply the 50-30-20ths budgeting rule. Now that you understand the basics of the 50-30-20ths rule, let's see how you can put it into action in your life. It's as simple as following these steps. Step 1. Calculate your after-tax income. If you're a freelancer, subtract your business expenses and taxes from your monthly earnings. If you're an employee, check your payslip to see how much is deposited into your bank account after deductions like health insurance or pension funds. Step 2. Categorize your spending for the past month. To get a clear understanding of your spending habits, review your bank statement for the past 30 days or utilize an app that categorizes your transactions. Split your expenses into the 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. Step 3. Evaluate and adjust your spending to match the 50-30-20ths rule. Once you see how much you've spent on each category, evaluate your spending to match the 50-30-20ths rule. Assess your wants and consider which ones you can reduce to stay within the 30% allocation. The more you save on wants, the more you'll be able to achieve your 20% savings target. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you can simplify your budgeting process, avoid overspending, and make progress towards your financial goals. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself but finding a balance that allows you to enjoy life while being financially responsible. Give the 50-30-20 budgeting rule a try, and start budgeting more efficiently today.